So welcome back to the second part of Photoshop video series. So in this video series, I'm going to tell you about some other shapes too. So let's delete this one. This was we discussed about this in the last class. After that, we have some other shapes like this one. This one you can select them. I have selected this one. Then simply you can select anyone. And here we have a move tool. You can move to that. And if you want to change the color of this one, you have to simply double click on this layer. After double clicking on this layer, you have to simply select the hair light color. After that, you can move it anywhere. So after that, we are going to discuss some other shapes and tools. Like this one, we have, if you want to add a text, you have to take this tool which is called text, and simply you have to click here. After that, you have to write the name whatever you want. For example, I want to write hello house, and then select this one. After selecting this, you have to increase size from here. If you want to increase from here, simply you have to drag this arrow and size will be automatically increased. After that, you have a color. If you want to change the text color, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to select the yellow one. After selecting that, if you want to change the font style, you can also do that from here. I want to keep this one and I have selected this. After that, you have option like formatting, which format you want, bold, italic. After that, I'm going to take this one, move tool, and I'm going to put here, or you can decrease the size or take the text tool again for editing text. Click between them and press the enter. Press the enter again, and now select it. After selecting, select this layer, and I'm in alignment center line. After that, take the move tool and come here and then put it here. You can increase the size from here. I'm clicking in the right corner. This is the size here, and simply this is the hello house. So this is the basic thing that how you can create a shape and how you can add the text between them. So this is the simple text. As you can see, as I have inserted the text, and here layer is automatically generated. You can also make a duplicate of this one. If you want to make a duplicate of any picture, any text, any shape, simply you have to select the move tool. After selecting the move tool, you have to press the alt. After pressing the alt, as you can see, the cursor is showing like the black one and the white one. Now you have to drag that thing which you want to make a duplicate. If you want a duplicate of text, you have to drag the text. Here you will get the duplicate. If you want a duplicate of the shape, you have to simply drag the shape. You will get the duplicate of the shape. So this is the simple method that you have to select you have to press the alt button, and then you have to select the move tool, and you have to drag it, and automatically duplicate thing will be generated. So for this class, this is enough. So about other things we will discuss in the next class. So see you in the next video.